Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion this has. And the given number is 3 upon 13. So guys, let us find out what type of decimal expansion the given number has. The question has given us this number 3 upon 13. The question has given us this number 3 upon 13. And we need to do two things. We need to convert this one into decimal form. We need to convert this one into decimal form, and then we need to find out what kind of decimal form is this. What kind of decimal form is this? Decimal form is this. So these are the only two things we need to do. Now the question has given us 3 upon 13. First we need to convert it into a decimal form, and then we need to find out what kind of decimal form is this. Now let us divide 3 with 13, 3 by 13 in our traditional way. So 3 upon 13, we are dividing 3 with 13 in our traditional way. Now guys, what we are going to get, let's see. 13 and 3 is less than 13, so it is not to be divisible direct away, so we need to add a 0. That means I need to put 0 point and then I need to add a 0 here. 13 2s are 26. So what we got 13 2s are 26. Now 30 minus 26 is 4. I can add one more 0 here and I can write 13 3s are 39. 13 3s are 39. Now here we got 1. If I add 1 0 here, still it is not getting divisible. So I need to add a 0 to the quotient as well as again a 0 to the remainder. So we got remainder as 100. Now here we have 13. So 7, 13 7s are 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 8 9, 91. 13 7s are 91. And we are getting a remainder of 9. I can add one more 0 here and I can write 13 6 ja. 13 6 are 6 3 are 18, 6 1 are 6 6 78, and we are left with 12. So what I can do, I can add one more 0 here and I can write 13 9s are 9 3s are 27, 9 1s are 9, 10 11. So what we are getting now, we are getting here is 120 minus 117, we are getting 3. So we can stop our calculation here. As we are getting 3 here, we can stop our calculation here. Why? Let me explain you. If you look here, we started with a 3. If you look here, we started with a 3. And again we are getting a 3. That means our answer will again get repeated from here. If we continue, we will get our answer 0.230769. Again it will start repeating here also. 230769. So like this it will continue repeating. So that means when we got a remainder as a repeating remainder, from that point of view we can stop and we can say that it is a repeating. Now the question asked us to convert. The question has given us the number. The question gave us 3 upon 13. So we can write 3 upon 13 is equal to 0.230769. Again 230,769. So it will continue, or I can write that is equal to 0.230769, and I can put a bar on 230,769 because it is going to repeat. So we can say our answers that because the second question asked us to find out what kind of decimal form is this. We can say that this is a non-terminating. We can say that this is a non-terminating repeating decimal. We can say that this is a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.